Nathan. Little one, you're a little one. Yeah, like the was Archelo. Big D. By the way, where are you? Where are you from, babes? I'm from Manila. Yeah, a little kiss. Hi, boss Archie. Like that dapat. You know the ganon? Heavy metal ano. Wait lang, sakit ng ano. Oh, New Zealand. I know you're in New Zealand. Basta sa Manila, is that Chinese fella calling me black? I don't know. Volleyball, oh. Oh, that's good. So, Nathan. What are you doing? Hello, heavy metal. Saan yung Kuya Ashton? Ay, buang ka Kuya Ashton. So slow. Gagawin, ano ba? Just one, how are you? Ano ba? Ano ba yung picture? Sunny, say hello. Judgment. Don't be judged. Don't judge to me, judgment. Hi, you're the one. Mukhang busy ka. Sino busy? Ako? Bakit may kabaunan? Ngayon? Ngayon ba? You're the one. Kasi si Kuya Ashton, bababe, kulang daw pera ni Yuna. Ano ya daw, hindi pa daw cash daw. Hello, you're the one. Reject, Sir Baldi, hello. Are you Pinay? Yes po. Hi, Sir Baldi. You're the one, kamusta daw? Patrick Travis, hello. Maybe sometime when you're not busy. I'm not busy today. So, we one-on-one like this in comment. Diba? I can merge hello, Rosel. Alam mo ba, kasi na ano ako, nagsiseminar kami, yung kahilo. Kasi, may certificate ako inahahabol, be. Kaya may seminar kami. Kaya nakapoy, be. Do you have any talent? Of course, I'm danceress. Kaya may seminar ako hinahabol, be. Kaya kakapagod. Uy, may pasok pa bukas. Tapos may seminar pa. Tapos, kaya 349 hello. Tapos may reading pa bukas dun sa ng lola ko. Night Sky! How are you? Kaya ayun, nabisi sa buhay. Good night, hello. Thank you. I'm a little nervous. Why you nervous? Hi, Liam. How are you, Liam? Ryan. Ay, kamatayan. Kamatayan ba yun? Oh, ambot, ikamatay. Night Sky, Bobby, Randy. Hi, Liam. Where are you from, Liam? Bakit ngayon ka lang nagising, you're the one? How are you? I'm good, Liam. How about you? Putaan lang katip. Busy tayo si Wiggy Boy. Kasi na problema siya, be. RB, hello. Javen. How are you, Javen? Aaga. Good. Where are you from, Liam? Oo, na problema siya. Wait lang, hindi ko mabasa ko yung ito. Ang liit-liit. I'm from Yuki. Oh, how's Yuki? Ang ba't hindi mabasa? Oy, pistik ako yung Aston. How's Yuki po? Nice to meet you too. Puta, ang ano-ano ng ano ko. Oo, kasi hindi ko mabasa, nagganon-ganon pa ako. Ang liit-liit. I-zoom nga, Kuya Ashton, ganon-ganon mo. Liam, how old are you, Liam? 16 and lover, hello. Hi, Wells on the bus. The wheels on the bus go up. Ay, the wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round. Liam, how old are you po? 191, hello. Hirap talaga, maraming baby girls. Oo nga, si Kuya Ashton. Are you from the Philippines? Yes, Liam. Laki nga ang problema niya. Iwan sa kanya. Boom, boom, hello. Ah, wala. Boom, boom, boom. Wala bang work siya, Kuya Ashton? Char? Shiba, hello. Hello, Philippines. Hello, Liam. How old are you, Liam? Hi, Ja. Dito, ang daming tao dito, ah. Choo, choo, choo. Nathan. Why are you jumping, Nathan? You're not, you're looking for the prettiest girl here in Bicol. And then you're not, you cannot find, then you just back here. Of course, I can stand up. But water fill muna. I'm 28. Si po, pogi. I'm 28 po. How about you? Liam? Hi, DRM. Hi, ZN. How are you? Ooh, you're 36. You're young. You're young then. Be, anong nagawa mo dyan, Be? Oy, nababoring ako. Really? Yes, I'm 28. Boring po, Emmy. Hindi wag ka dito manood. Sinasabihan ba kita manood ka? Gus, hello. You look young. I think because of the jeans. Char! Hi, hi, Morris. How are you? Juan, hello. Ismael. Because of the jeans, I think. Hi, Michael. How are you? Hi, James. Baby, anong ginagawa mo dyan, B? Uy, kaya Astor, kinakausap ka ni ano? Bakit lang busy-busy mo dyan? Mamaya na yung mga problema na yan. Mas-stress ka lang dyan. James, hello. Hi, Freddy, how are you? Edwin! So, what are you doing, Leah? Jess, hello. Mary. I am, hello. That's your pet. Yes, why po? That's my pet. Hi. Hi, bestie Johnsky. It's ugly. Hey. Bestie, how are you, bestie? Hi, Top Gun. Johnny, hello. Ikaw ba si Donnie Pangilinan? Thank you, bestie. Your bed is big. It's not big. Hi, Top Gun. Also, bestie. What are you doing, bestie? Hi, Stomp Salad. Be, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Harvey, hello. Nandiyan ka pa ba? Hi, Effie. How are you? Bang! Omet. Noel.